Question number 2. A curve passes through the point with coordinate this. Okay, we have the curve which is passing through the point 1 over 2 pi comma 5. And it's such that dy over dx is equal to 4 secant square 1 over 2x. Find the equation of curve. We have the dy over dx which is equal to 4 secant square 1 over 2x. Okay, we need to find the equation of the curve. And equation of the curve can be found by by cross multiplication. We have dy is equal to 4 secant square 1 over 2x dx. And when we integrate both sides, so we will have y equals to integration of 4 secant square 1 over 2 x dx. Okay, consider u is equal to 1 over 2x and du over dx is equal to 1 over 2 and du 2 times du is equal to dx. So substituting u in place of 1 over 2x, we will have integration 4 secant square u and dx is equal to 2 times du. So we have transformed the x variable into the u variable. So we will have 2 times 4 8 secant square u and du. And this one is equal to 8 integration of secant square of u du, and we know that integration of secant square u is tangent u, and this one, and then plus c constant. So we have the equation of curve 8 tangent u plus c, and u is equals to 1 over 2x, so we can plug tangent 8 tangent of 1 over 2x plus c. So y is equal to 8 tangent of 1 over 2x plus c. This is the curve equation, but we don't know the value of constant. To find the value of unknown, we will plug this coordinate because this coordinate is passing through the curve and we have the curve equation, and this point always satisfy the curve equation. So we can say that 1 over 2 pi comma 5 satisfy the above equation as the curve is passing through this point. So we have y coordinate is 5 is equal to 8 tangent of 1 over 2 times x. X is 1 over 2 pi plus c. Okay, and 8 tangent of pi by 4 plus c, which is equals to the 8 tangent of 45 degree plus c. So we can say that 5 is equals to 8 tangent 45 is 1 plus c. So c is equals to 5 minus 8 and constant is -3. We have calculated the value of constant c, which is -3. So we plug this -c in this equation, curve equation. So the curve equation will be y is equal to 8 secant of square of 1 over 2x plus -c, so it's -3. So y is equal to 8 secant square 1 over 2 times x minus 3. So this is the equation of the curve and which was required.